Dearly beloved, I got news for you. Not having and touring a signature workshop virtually or in person and continuing to spend energy on social media without getting any predictable, consistent, positive results is like being stuck in the mud and thinking that if you just press the gas pedal a little bit harder, you'll eventually get out. But pressing the gas pedal harder won't get you out. It will actually get you more stuck. Just like doubling down on your social media unstrategy, it won't get you the results if you do more content creation on social media. It won't get you the more time, more money, and more humans to teach, coach, and inspire if you keep doing what you're already doing on there. Just think of all of the hours wasted already. Last week, Coralie, who does our tech and is my left-hand person at MAJIK Media, we sent about 30 outreach emails for my Thriving in Business Without Social Media signature workshop. So we sent 30. That's maybe an hour worth of work because of our email templates that we use. And we've already had 7 booked. There's other conversations that are being lined up right now to meet and greet to figure out if this is a fit or not. But 7, 1 hour of work, 7 workshops booked. Last week, another story here, just about the proof is in the pudding, right? So last week, I had a partner send out 1 email to their audience, and my email list grew by about 300 people in a week. If whatever you're doing is not wielding these kinds of results consistently, then just stop it and put your focus into crafting and or if you already have your workshop, touring your free 60-minute workshop. It is a far better use of your time, energy, and focus than keeping up with the Joneses on all the socials. So whether you figure it out on your own or you join mine and Tad's signature workshop training, I do not care. Just do the strategy. It works. I've been in this game for 20 years. This is the easiest, most scalable marketing strategy I have discovered, and it costs you nothing. And it actually costs you very little time to implement as well. And it works again and again and again for finding new people to share your gifts and your work with. So here's what you'll need to create if you're going to pivot your marketing strategy in this direction and abandon the social media matrix fully, if you so desire. So, number one, you need a powerful signature workshop that successfully teaches your unique point of view to an aligned niche while giving them immediate positive results, a transformation of some kind that sets them on a new path in their life. Number two, a simple, clearly written, well-crafted landing page for people to sign up to for your workshop and for hosts to be able to promote so that you can collect those email addresses. And this landing page also becomes a template for all the future workshops you're going to be teaching for all those hosts that are going to say yes. Number three, you're going to need a well-crafted outreach email that you will send to potential hosts asking if they will host your workshop with their audience. And the one that we have, we just keep refining it and improving it, and we get a lot of yeses through those emails. Number four, you're going to need a well-designed media page with all of your pre-written swipe copy, social media posts, banners, bio, links, and details, making it so very easy for your host to promote you and for you to just show up and do the teaching instead of all the back and forth communications, which, if you're not organized, will tend to happen, which means hosts will drop off because you're making it too hard for them to support you with your mission. The next thing, number five, a list of up to 100 potential hosts to ask you. You're going to ask them to host your workshop. So that's the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to build your database. And I say 100, it could be 50, it could be 20. You could start with a handful of friends, but when we got going, we came up with a list of 100, and that was how we got the party started last year when I decided like I'm going to double down and tour this thing. Next up, you're going to need an engaging, thoughtfully crafted learning experience that leaves all these new audiences that you're going to get to teach really wanting more from you, wanting to take the next step with you, feeling inspired, feeling changed, feeling like, okay, this is the exact teacher I've been looking for to support me with X, Y, Z, whatever it is that you do. And if you would like some guidance, some coaching, some feedback, all of the templates that we've been designing over the last couple of years since I decided that this is the best marketing strategy for my business, then come join Tad's and Mai's Craft and Tour Your Signature Workshop training. It starts September 12th. It runs to December 5th. We're going to support you with all of the coaching that you're going to need to craft and tour your signature workshop so that you can really get your work out into the world to find new audiences, to leave social media for good if you really want to. And I know so many of you do want to leave social media because you don't enjoy your time over there and you feel like you're wasting your time. And this is a strategy that can work, and it's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to be in it with a lot of people, and I'm sure you're going to get to network and find a whole bunch of hosts straight out of the gate from this training, in this training, who will host you with your signature workshop. If all that sounds great, awesome. If it's not aligned with you to join that training, awesome. Do the strategy anyways. Go your own route. If you have to, hire somebody to support you with this. And if you want coaching, we do coaching. I'm just saying this is the way you got to go right now in this year, this time. This is the strategy. I highly recommend it. I hope this has been inspiring. Stop spinning the wheels by pushing the pedal harder and doubling down on social media. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this is the intervention you've been waiting for. This is the way forward, okay? You teaching is the best marketing possible for you, your business, and the audiences that are waiting for your gifts to come into their life. Stay awesome. You're the best. Love you. Bye.